Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 10th root of x equal 5 power 1 by root x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's solve this nice exponential problem. So we can write this as nth root a as a power 1 by n. So this left hand side become x power 1 by 10 equal 5 power 1 by root x. Now, this we can write it as, if I'll multiply both sides in power as 10 root x, so this 10 will cancel out. So it becomes x power root x, and here it becomes, if we cancel out the root x with root x, 5 power 10. Now I am going to multiply both sides with power 1 by 2. So x power root x, I can write 1 by 2, or we can use the identity, that is x power m power n is equals to x power mn or x power n power n. So we can write this left hand side as x power 1 by 2 whole power root x equal 5 power 10 multiply 1 by 2. So this gives us 5. So x power 1 by 2 whole power root x equal 5 power 5. Now x power 1 by 2 is root x. We know that. So we can replace this. So root x power root x equal 5 power 5. Now on comparing both sides, we can say that root x is equals to 5. Now if I'll do squaring both sides, so root x square equal 5 square. With the help of the square root removes. So what is the value of x? 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.